What is up, guys? This is XX King James here. I'm back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to, what was I going to do? I don't know what this video is about, actually. I was just going to do a random video. I think I already did a video on how to make a custom thumbnail, just like 5 minutes ago. But, I didn't upload it, so I guess I'll upload this one, then the other one. So let me just delete this here. It'll get annoying after a little while. Alright, let's go back. Okay, what you want to do is you want to go to here, your name, and then you want to go to Creator Studio. Just wait for it. Here you go. Now you want to go to Edit. You want to go down to Custom Thumbnail. Pop up with some suggestions that you guys can pick from your library, from your pictures. I'm gonna go ahead and pick my creeper one. Okay. Go ahead. Okay. Actually, it's not working, so drag along here and go my creeper face. Here. Should pop up down here. Click it. Save changes. Now it'll save the changes to your video. Make it public, listed, or private. You can fill out a description. Make your title. Just do that. Change the image. There you go. Just click it. Save changes. Then it should save the changes. Now go to your YouTube. It's not letting me load. Here, I'm gonna cut this part out real quick. It's not letting me pick my. I'll cut this out. I'll cut this out. Hold on. Here we go. Go to your channel. Actually, you know what? You know, faster way. Could do that. Wait for it to load. Takes a while for my computer to do this. Here, I'm gonna cut this out. Let's see. Never mind. Alright, now you can go to your channel. Now go to your whatever video you just did. Now it should have that. Should have your thumbnail. That one, I didn't get my thumbnail on. I tried it. It didn't really work. I'm gonna go try that now. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I know my voice isn't kind of in the mood right away, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, smack that like button in the face like a boss. Sorry, Jack. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.